Section 3.3 has to deal with creating equations of lines, and we're creating these equations when we're given lots of different information. So let's look at number 1. It says find the equation in slope-intercept form of a line with the slope 2/5 and the y-intercept 0,3. So we're trying to write this in slope-intercept form, which again, slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. This is the most famous form for a line. So really the slope and y-intercept are given to us, so these don't take too long because we want to put the slope next to the x, so being multiplied by the x, and then we want to add the y-intercept, or 3. So y is equal to 2/5 x plus 3. And then with number 3, my slope is 3, so it's y is equal to 3x. So you multiply the slope by the x, and then the y-intercept is -9, so I'm subtracting 9. And that would be my equation.